In this video we will learn how to check blood glucose level with a glucometer. Open your glucometer box. Take out glucometer, lancing device, lancet and a test strip. Close the test strip box. Take out one sterile lancet out of container. Open your lancet device. Insert a new lancet. Turn its cap and then remove it. Insert the device cap again. Then push it for one time to load. Now it's ready to punch in finger. Pick up your glucometer. Insert a new test strip from arrow direction to device. As you insert, the device turns on instantly and shows 888 on screen. Then the blood sample symbol appears on screen. That means the machine is ready for test. Now pick up your lancing device. Use the side of fingers to punch. Don't use upper side, it will be more painful for you. Let's check my fasting blood glucose level. Punch in finger. Press gently to obtain a drop of blood. Touch the device test area to the drop of blood. As it beats and countdown starts, separate the device from blood. Read your results. Then gently remove your blood with a tissue paper and wipe it completely. Dispose the test strip by pressing the button on device. Remove the cap of lancing device and press it against the rubber cap. And remove the lancet from lancing device. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe our channel for more helpful videos. Thank you very much.